Here are some basic tips to turn the cube. For all and L moves, you should use your whole wrist to turn, not any finger tricks like this. For U moves, you should use your finger by pushing like this, and U dash with your left hand. For the 4 moves, the finger tricks goes like this. For the F moves, you can do by regripping like this and turn. For the F dash, you can do by left hand. Of course, for D moves, you can use your ring finger and push this like this. And D dash, you can use your left hand. For this pair, we can insert by easy finger tricks without regrips like this. In advanced finger tricks, we can turn the top layer by pushing this finger like this, or bringing this finger and push this back like this. And for U dash, can we do like this. For F moves, we can easily do like this without any regrip by pushing this thumb finger like this and reverse. For T perpendation, we can do like this. F moves using your finger, and F dash can be do like this. For U2, without doing like this, you can move by frequently like this. For this spoiler case, we can do like this. For D2, you can do like this, and D dash like this. For this PL case, can we do like this, D2, D2, like. So these are my advanced finger tricks, and I have uploaded all PL cases with finger tricks. That's in description. So thanks for watching.